industry that we are going to introduce to you today is the highest salary paying industry in the world. This industry not only has global demand, but it is also the fastest growing industry. One can say that sky is the limit. It has limitless possibilities all around the globe. The name of this industry is aviation industry. It has so many employment opportunities that today almost all licensed engineers are employed somewhere. But the thing is, not as many engineers are available that are required at the present. Not only this, our Civil Aviation Minister of the Government of India has recently given an official statement that an additional 150,000 aviation personnel will be required in the coming 2 years. 25 years ago, there were barely 40 to 45 aircraft in our country. At present, there are more than 1,000 aircraft in our country, including small and big ones. Still, this is not enough, and orders have been issued to buy hundreds of new aircraft by various airlines. The role of an aircraft maintenance engineer is important in this aviation industry, which is ranked one of the 3 most developed industries in the world. Air travel today is considered to be the safest mode of transport in the whole world. Aircraft maintenance engineers play an important role in it. Aircraft maintenance engineers conduct a thorough inspection of aircraft conditions prior to each flight and ensure that the aircraft operates properly and safely. An aircraft can take off only after it has been carefully examined by an aircraft maintenance engineer and certified that the aircraft is airworthy. For more than 4 decades, IIA Group of institutions has worked to provide thousands of qualified and trained aircraft maintenance engineers. Under this group comes JRN Institute of Aviation Technology, New Delhi, and Bharat Institute of Aeronautics, Patna. It is India's one of the oldest and most trusted institutions. This institute has trained more technical personnel in the field of aircraft maintenance engineering than any other institute, not only across the country but around the world. These 2 colleges are approved by the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, Ministry of Civil Aviation, Government of India.
Hi, I'm Kumar Madhavendra, ex-student of IIS Jamshedpur. I was from 14th batch, and I'm assistant manager engineering with Indigo Airlines.
Hello, I am Amit Handa. I am from 15th batch Indian Institute of Aeronautics. At present, I am working with Air India Limited, and I am senior aircraft engineer there.
Hi, I am SB Das. I joined the institute in 1985. I am from 6th batch. मैं इंस्टीट्यूट में बच्चा बन के आया था. In the year 1985, when we came to the institute, I came to the institute. मैंने कभी हॉस्टल में नहीं रहा था. मुझे बाहर का दुनिया का कुछ नहीं पता था. ये मेरा इंस्टीट्यूट है जिसने मुझे एक आदमी बनाया. I left the institute in 1988. I joined Pavanance in 1989.